Okay, go.
Hi guys, it's me, Reyhanna, and today we are going to be opening Fidget toys. Yay! Ooh, what? International priority. Yes, peas. Another one? Okay. Okay, this will be a lot to unbox. Oh. There you go. Okay. Peas. Wait. Are they the same? I want to see them. Oh, so cute. Look at these. So cute. Hi, so cute. Why are they so cute? Okay, so these peas are really cute. Just look at them. Do you guys see it? It's so cute. And the other one's the same. Now, which one should I do next? Okay. Yes. I wasn't expecting it to be small, but I like it. Hello? Oh. Okay.
Repeat, okay?
Daddy will help me cut all of these plastics. I did it. Daddy, you can cut those. I can open this. Okay, I'm ready.
You say that. Okay, to open. Okay, thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me, Daddy. Okay. Continue the video. Okay, so which one should I choose next? This one. Okay. I love this. Okay. Okay, time to play. So this is like a puppet, and I love the puppet so much. It's my favorite. Ah! The sound is so satisfying, guys. It's like my favorite. Okay.
The ball.
Yay, balls. Oh, wow. These are very squishy, and they are very sticky and really satisfying to hear. So funny. Colors, by the way. The blue is my favorite because it's my favorite color. Okay. Oh no. Wait. They can stick together. Yes. They can stick. It's very sticky and I like it. Oh, okay. Now, oh. Stop sticking. So I found these and I think you just do this. Ooh. Necklace. Squishy, actually. Next, we'll do the magic cubes. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay, I can. Yes. I know how to play with these. Oh my god. I love them so much. Guys, this is so cool that I barely know how to play these, but I love them so much. Whoa. They're like those like cubes where you have to solve the color. Ooh, look at these colors. They're magic noodles. Noodles. Okay, so there's apparently nothing to do with these, but they're stretchy. And I don't know how to play with these, so yeah. But how are these gonna make you? But I don't know how these are gonna make you cheer up, even though if you're stressful. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, but okay. So lastly, we will be playing with these. Ah, they're so soft.
Tell them it is so cute, okay?
It's so cute and so soft. These are gonna make me these are gonna be stressless. Oh my gosh. Look at them, they're so cute. So guys, these are very soft but not soundable, which is okay, and they are very soft. Daddy, do you want to feel it? Daddy, do you want to feel these? These are so soft and adorable. So soft.
You're right.
And very squishy. Okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you for help for feeling these. Okay, guys. So this is the final one. Now we're gonna play with these. Okay. My favorite color. Also my favorite color. And Zoe's favorite color. These can never break. You can only cut them to make them break, by the way. Okay, next I'm gonna choose these cute little peas. If you guys pop the left and right, there are no faces, but if you pop the middle, oh, so cute. The face is so cute. It's a puppy. I love puppy peas. Peas and carrots. Carrots and peas. Puppy, come out. Please, please, please. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, my. Oh, my peas. This is a magic cube, which is apparently what it just said, and it can make lots of shapes, but not a triangle.
Yeah.
Ooh, yes, okay. It's oddly annoying. It's most satisfying. But bum ba dum ba dum ba bum bum dum bum. Okay, guys, these balls are so sticky. Watch them stick together. The only thing they can stick to is they can only stick together, but very squishy. And for these cute little ones, they're so soft. Ooh. Oh, it's so funny.
Move a little bit. Okay, yan, yan.
Okay, guys. Cat will dance. I love how the cat dances. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so this is our unboxing fidget toy review, which is really cute and fun. So, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe and comment. And, of course, these are so cute and I wonder if you have this. But if you have them, if you don't have them, you can buy them on Amazon, which is apparently cute. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for helping me buying these, and of course, I love them. Thank you. Okay. Bye, guys. Love you all so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.